Hey, thanks for joining me. Just want to make this quick video about this planet that was seen next to the Sun in September. What is the strange fiery globe spotted off the coast of Florida? Conspiracy theorists claim is the mythical Planet X that will destroy the world. And this is coming from mainstream media, the Daily Mail Online, which is out of the UK. Basically, they just like the movies, like 2012, The Day After Tomorrow, and Night of the Comet, all these movies that they put out, basically to try and make you think that it's not going to happen by, oh, it's past 2012, past, nothing happened, and then people start to think nothing will happen, but they know the truth. They're just trying to make conspiracy theorists look like idiots. For the time when it does come, everyone will say it's never going to happen. But anyway, back to this story, that the planet was seen next to the Sun, and there's a video on which this woman records.
Okay, so here I am out here in September, and as you can see, there's obviously a really very clear planet that is right north of the Sun. And wow, I would love to say it was the moon, but since the moon happens to be right here on the opposite side, there's no way it is. And since we all have been taught in school that Mercury and Venus do not show up, oh, just look at that planet just beaming and shining right now. Somebody tell me what it is. Thank you.
Thank you. Just a few points. She said it was September, but she didn't give a date. She said she was looking at the Sun, but she didn't say whether it was sunset or sunrise. She didn't say where she was in the world, although she's, if I'm not mistaken, her accent is kind of like southern, like South America, southern North America. So from that sort of vague description, but she did give a image of the moon, which really helps us out. Pop over now to this is the solar system scope.com. Obviously you see the planetary alignments, good program. Now we are in like south of North America, kind of like Florida way, Mexico sort of way, and here the date is September the 1st, or you could go September 2, 3, whatever. And of course you've probably noticed it by now on the sunrise, which it could possibly be. You see Jupiter right there in the exact same position, right close to the Sun. And Jupiter's a big planet, and it always I always expect it when I see these planets conjoining behind the Sun. I even put out posts, weeks and months of Nibiru videos, because this planet shines, reflects back right to Earth, and it's a great time to see it. But here's the kicker. I've marked there 1st, 2nd or 3rd around these dates of September. Now if we go over to the moon, as you can see, September, and if I would say that this one, the 2nd, was probably the very closest to the image of the moon that we see in the video. And how much of a coincidence, well, it's not coincidence, it's fact, that on that very day where she's seen a planet there, on that very day when the moon was just like that, this is actually what happened. There is no, well, there is a planet called Nibiru, or the Throne of God, and it is coming with trumpet judgments like the fiery hail mixed with blood, you know, and it has got an electromagnetic field that will cause the earthquake, Revelation 6, and the angels surrounding it, 7 of them, Revelation 7, one coming up from the east, you know, and the big earthquake when it locks, it's going to twist us round, Isaiah 24, Revelation 6, 14 I think, every mountain island was removed from its place, and then there's a lock-off earthquake, Revelation 8, the angel takes the censer, throws it on the earth, and there was lightnings and thunderings and voices and an earthquake. And of course, as we pass through the tail of Nibiru, it's trillions of meteorites, and that's trumpet number 1, trumpet number 2, La Palma, thrown into the sea, mega tsunami across the Atlantic basin. Trumpet number 3, return of the Black Death comet. Trumpet number 4, 3 days of darkness, which we can see right now because the sun is shutting down, and every real scientist is saying it, all the information is there, and we can visually see from the sun that it's either, well, it's been really quiet and there's chunks missing off it, and it's just, we can tell, we can see the signs, just like we see the sky's red in the evening, or the sky's red in the morning, you know. So the planet was nothing to worry about. It was just Jupiter coming behind, beautifully coming behind the sun, reflecting, and the moon was there, roughly from dates September the 1st to September the 3rd. So, but always keep watch, because there is a rogue planet out there, like I said, the throne of God, that is coming, and the signs of the times. We've got to keep watch, but we've also got to discern between fact and fiction. I'll leave a link to the article which has the video, and I'll leave a link to the solar system scope website, so you can go and have a look for yourself. I've been Pastor Justin Roberts from End of the Age Bible Prophecy. God bless you all. Amen.